Hey guys, well it's Thursday. I got the truck emptied. I'm running super late because I couldn't find my wallet. My family's like, shocker. So grab the coffee, let's go get an Oval. Thank you to all the new subs from Brian's channel. Brian, love you, super appreciate it. Let's go get this car. I'm here with Chris and we're going to I can't even talk now. We're gonna wheeling out the 56. So how long has it been in this container?
It's been in here for 10 years. It came out once over the summer for a photo shoot for the Volkswagen show.
All right, so we're gonna wheel the 56 out and we'll get a better look at her out in the daylight.
The sun's out. It's not snowing.
Out.
So
not snowing.
It's not snowing.
There is still snow here though. I shouldn't jinx us because it could still snow.
We could have a squall.
Both times there's been snow when I came up here, so.
When I got it, it had no paint on it. No fenders, no hoods. It had a W on it, W deck lid. No windows, no nothing. Full of rat's nest, garbage, sitting under a pine tree. And it just sat there, it had sat there for years and years. And the lady said she wanted it out. And I said, I'll take it if you want it out.
And what year was this?
I'm thinking 2003.
Oh, that wasn't that long ago.
Yeah, well,
now tell us,
years.
What did you pay for this fine example back then?
This is the clincher of the story. You're gonna be mad.
I'm not gonna be mad.
Don't be mad.
I'm not gonna be mad.
So I said to the lady, I think she was Polish. She was cooking something in the kitchen, and it smelled awesome. I was starving. And I said, well, what do you want for the car? And she's like, what do you got? And I said, I'll give you everything in my pocket for this car. And she says, what do you got, 25 cents? I pulled out two $20 bills. She snatched it out of my hand and said, take it. And I ran to get a trailer. Ran home to get a trailer. And when I came back, that little old lady was sitting on her porch with her son, and they were drinking beer and eating dinner.
Nice.
A 30-pack on the deck, and she was hooking beers. And she said, thank you, and I said, thank you too. And I said, I'm out of here.
So you got this car for 40 bucks.
Back in the day, and like I say, it was 40 bucks, but it didn't look like this. It looked like a rust bucket.
But it had.
It was solid.
Yeah.
That was like, why did anyone take all the paint off of it? And then I bought acid stripper to sand it down with, you know, I kind of etched it first. And then finding the pieces and the parts, finding good goods.
No, you put a lot of money into it.
Put a lot of time in
it,
you know.
All right, so we got the body dolly. We got this nice 36 Horser. This came out of the black Oval.
That one's the one from the black car.
Okay.
That engine was running and driving in the black car.
So we'll get this stuff loaded up. All right, are you ready to load up the $40 Oval?
$80 Oval.
Don't worry, folks. He doubled his money. I paid 80 bucks for the car. That's why he said I was gonna be mad. He's like,
I had to double my money. That's terrible. I almost feel bad saying that, but I don't. It's well worth it. This car is well worth it.
It's well worth the 80 bucks.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna get a rock out of your way.
Yeah. You might want to keep a rock handy. I'd go right to there. We're gonna do it a little bit at a time.
Yeah?
Yep.
All right, let me push it up again and
You wanna try for a little roller start? Ready? Go!
I'm good. You good?
Yeah.
All right, let me get
Jeez, this one went way easier than the other one.
Yeah, this one rolled. All right.
You like it?
1, 2. Oh, you gonna go for it? Let me go 3. Come down. Here, right there. Yeah. All right. Success.
That was easy.
That was easy peasy. So I'm bolting the fenders on the car.
Wait, there's more.
And I've been out here, Chris, how many times have you been out here? Is it the third time?
It's like the third time.
Yeah. So we're talking about the Craigslist guy that was supposed to buy this car, never showed. And he tells me he has a sand rail over in the barn over here on Craigslist. I'm like,
I don't know how you didn't see it if you're on Craigslist.
You're talking to the Volkswagen guy.
I was going to show it to you.
Oh, he was going to show it to you. All right, we're jumping in the gator. We're going to go check out the barn. Look at that monster.
How good? You going?
Yeah, I'll go with you. I've never been in one of these.
Fancy rigs here.
Yeah, these $30,000
farm truck.
Man, this thing's serious. Send it. So what else you hiding in this red barn?
No, this isn't mine. This is the landlord's barn. I don't hide anything in here. He's got... Back in the day, I was told there was a Beetle in here, but it's long since gone. There it is, back in the corner. It's kind of dark in here.
I better not let Josh see this. Green's his favorite color.
No, let him see it. Let him see it.
What is it? 1.8?
It's a fuel-injected 1.8 Digifont injection out of a 92 jet. Like a GL, you know. The GLI would have a 16 valve, this is an 8 valve motor.
Oh, I love that. I had that same steering wheel on my, or I had a 3-spoke Formula on my old, when I was 15. I love that wheel.
Scat shifter.
I'll come back for the wheel.
Drag fast shifter.
How much for the wheel?
How much for the wheel? I gotta be able to move it.
It's not a 4-spoke though. We'll get it running. I gave you, what did I give you, 80 for the 56, so maybe 40 for this?
We gotta work on price on this one.
We'll give you, I'll tell you what.
Pieces and parts.
I'll tell you what, the Marshall lamp and this will bundle them $80.
I gotta think about
deal?
that. I don't know. I ain't sticking my hand out.
All right, well.
Yeah, let people know about that car.
I'll get it for $100. I'm just kidding,
I
guys.
definitely want to sell that one, you know.
This is,
Implement out there?
what is this?
This thing here?
What is this?
I think it's a fire pit.
I know, it's got rotors in it.
Yeah, but like, it's all contained.
Oh, so is that what
It's
they're
like,
using the rotors
yeah,
for?
like it contained fire.
Okay, I have never seen
kinda
a.
cool. I didn't know it was here.
I've never seen that before.
That's new to me too.
I like that. I like.
Vintage farm wood.
Yeah, that's cool. How old's this farm again? 18s?
This is 1800s. Back in the day.
Did you build those rock walls?
No.
You're not that old.
No, I'm not
All
that old.
All right, we're gonna
I feel that way sometimes.
we're gonna hit the road, Chris.
Yes. From
Been a
Norfolk,
pleasure.
Connecticut.
It's been
Thanks a lot,
It's been
dude.
a pleasure, man.
I'll see you at the shows.
I hope so.
Here, let me put this on your video. You gotta look for me by this.
Oh yeah.
Zoom in on the old.
Nice. Let me get a better shot of that. Very cool. Very
It's from an old
cool.
West Coast metric deal. The picture.
Yeah.
What?
Nothing else in the barn.
There's nothing hiding. I think you got it all.
You sure?
There's nothing else.
All right. I believe you.
Till the next time.
Till the next time. From where are we?
We are in Norfolk, Connecticut.
Norfolk, Connecticut. Where it what?
Where they don't drink Norfolk.
What about the weather?
Where it always snows.
But not today.
Not today. We got a sunshine day today.
Fantastic.
All right, man.
All right, man. Thank
Take it
you very
easy.
much.
I'll give you right
appreciate
back over.
it. I know.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. All right. Well, here's the inside. Get a better look at it. It's got a couple repairs. But all in all, it's in much better shape than the black car. That's for sure.
Feels good.
Speaking of the black car, I was just telling him, Chris, that my dream car was a oval window ragtop on center lines with a 2110. And what does he tell me?
I just sold the center lines. I don't have a 2110 though.
That's all right, but you were rolling the black bug on center lines.
Yeah.
So what did I get instead?
You got the Porsche wheels.
Oh, I got the fake Fuchs.
Yeah. Are they? I don't think they're fake.
They're fake.
Are they really?
They're-
I would look into that because
All right.
I don't think they are.
Hey, at least I got some 5 spokes on this car.
Polished 5 spokes on this car. Brand new tires.
I just love that. It's so
know?
sweet. All right, we're gonna get finished loading up. We still gotta grab the. We got a little. I have yet to even see these fenders. He has. Well, we'll just show you.
Light on. You gotta see it with the light on. Not a married man. don't know if that helps you.
All right, guys, you are seeing this for the first time. First of all, before I even get to those, all I see is that.
What?
The Marshall.
Oh, a half
What's
up? Everyone's got to have a half stack.
Oh, I don't have a half stack. I got a little.
I'll sell you that too if you want it.
Really?
Sure.
All right, we're gonna have to talk about that.
It's a tube half stack.
Wow.
100 water.
So how cool was it? Check this out.
Pull the chain on that light too.
Right here. The day I showed up, what did you have in your hand?
Hot VWs, yeah.
That's right.
There's
Hot
stacks of
VWs.
them over there.
I know it. So give us the history on these fenders. He was telling me he had these beautiful oval fenders hanging in his living room.
Hanging in the living room.
And there they are. I'm seeing them for the first time.
I bought them in Colorado at the Volkswagen show in Colorado, Bandimere Speedway. I sent them back, and I took them to a body guy who does metal finishing, hammer and dolly. Dropped them off, picked them up a year and a half later with an exorbitant price tag.
Go ahead, tell them.
$1,800.
$1,800.
But if you look at the bottom of them, we can pull one down and look at the bottom. They're absolutely perfect. Everything was straightened, hammer, dolly, and heat. No Bondo. There's no Bondo in those fenders at all. And they're real German fenders. They got the tubes for the wiring.
Speaking of tubes, I can't.
Yeah, that tube. Everybody needs a Marshall.
I gotta go, guys. I gotta talk about this amp. I mean, don't get me wrong. I knew about these. I haven't seen them. Stoked to have them.
Dude, you gotta pull one down. You gotta see this thing. These things are stupid. This is no repop fender, and I can tell you by the weight. Look at the bottom of that thing. That's what $1,800 gets you. And a year later, a year and a half later. Feel the weight of that.
They're gonna look great on my Baja.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut them to put them on. Feel that. You know, these are repops, but I bought them because they were perfect. You know.
Nice.
Feel how heavy that fender is.
I believe you.
That's not a repop.
All right, we're going for the office, guys.
This is
Look
the
at
office.
this.
Don't look in the office. There's things in here
Wow.
you shouldn't see.
All right. Oh, look at that.
That's the sign from my shop in Colorado.
That is awesome. That is so cool. Look at these 914. Was that your 914 you had in Colorado?
The red one? Yeah.
Nice.
2 liter, 75, 2 liter. There's some things in here. You can't look at everything.
All right. Tell me what I can't see.
That has it toolkit right there. It's a repop. There's a shift knob for an oval with the
Awesome.
with the print on it.
So what's up with your office chair here, buddy?
Oh yeah, this is the 5-point harness racing seat
Nice.
on wheels. If you can't drive,
Look at this place.
yeah, look at the all
This
Hot
is
Wheels.
so
and
cool.
giant-
Oh wait.
Wait.
I see a charger.
Oh yeah, there's a charger. A little Dukes of Hazzard charger.
I see a charger. I got a 70. I got a 70 charger.
You do?
Yeah.
Why didn't we get this into the negotiations?
I don't think
What's it got for motor?
440. I don't know. My son would allow me to get rid of the
Oh,
charger.
God.
He's pretty partial to that already.
Yes.
Well, the guitars, man. What are you playing?
There's a
Got an Epi.
Ovation.
You got some nice. Got nice
there's a
acoustics.
Fender, a couple Yamaha acoustics.
Nice.
Ovation acoustic.
Got
That was made in
Strat.
New Hartford, a little Strat.
Nice Strat.
Yeah, Fender lace sensors on it. And
Awesome.
what do you want to know?
Tell everybody if you need parts, where not to go.
Where not to go? You can't come here anymore.
No, the
I'm cleaned out.
the guy with the cat.
The cat. Which guy?
The guy that you'd poke the cat on the counter.
Oh, that was Wrong Parts Harry from Parocco. Yes.
Wrong parts.
Yeah, that place is closed now. But when it was open, anybody who remembers Parocco, imported car parts of Parocco from Pine Meadow, Connecticut, you must know Wrong Parts Harry. The cat on the counter and the pack of cigarettes, the place was like emphysema waiting to happen. All rolled into one building. The nicotine on the ceiling, so you could peel it off.
And the cat that never
The
moved.
cat that didn't move.
You'd go up to the counter and poke at it.
Oh, the cat was... You wondered if it was alive. And that cat would just sit there and look at you. There'd be cigarettes all around it, smoking in the ashtray. Harry, rest in peace, Harry, because I think he's no longer with us. But boy, That guy smoked like a chimney.
Oh, man.
The whole building was full of cigarette smoke. Anybody who bought imported car parts in this area knows wrong parts Harry, or dealt with him. Because you didn't deal with him once, you always had to go back for the second time because he gave you the wrong stuff.
Nice.
Every single time.
Well, there it is, guys. 56 oval, ragtop.
I want to see it done. I want it done by August.
Done by August. I better call my friends.
Yeah, you better call everybody.
I was just gonna Baja.
Don't. Bite your tongue.
He's nervous that it's even gonna get a little moisture on it, you know?
I am. The thing hasn't seen rain in over 10 years.
He's protected this car for 10 years, so
Oh, better be in good hands.
it's in good hands. So
All right.
I just want to say thank you again.
Yeah,
and,
thanks, bud.
It's been fun.
It has been fun.
It's been a blast.
It's been the most, up in these parts, this is the most fun I've had in a long time. So.
And it's not snowing, so we're gonna get
Yeah.
this thing home. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for the comments.
Thanks a lot.
Have a good day.
We'll see you. Good night, Austin, Texas, wherever you are. That's like Frank Zappa, you know? That's funny.